Peter. I live here in Arivaca community near the border in southern Arizona. And myself and my friends here work with an organization called People Helping People to respond to a humanitarian crisis in the desert that happens far too often in this area. We're looking forward to the convergence in Nogales and opportunities to talk about and to protest militarization on and near the border throughout America, and also militarization extending throughout the Americas to the south of us, and how it negatively impacts all the peoples of our various countries.
Yes, my name is Patty Miller, and I've lived here for over 30 years, and I've seen great changes with all of the militarization on the border, and I think that it's terrible that Border Patrol policy sends people into these situations. Hard-working people that want to make a better life, and this is what we're all here for, is to try and help bring more justice into the world.
Hi, my name is Lisa Jacobson. I live here in Arivaca, which is a tiny town just a few miles from the border. And it's a wonderful, wonderful place, and it would be absolutely perfect here if we weren't constantly reminded of the people who are so desperate to be here on their way elsewhere, and are running into the incredible militarization that we experience here every day. And we're so few here, and we know what it's like. And we have people here coming to our houses in desperate need. And I think it's something that most of the people in the United States just can't really understand, because it's so foreign from most of the experience of most of the people in the country. But for us, it's a way of life, and unfortunately, it's a way of life that's continuing. Immigration is not just a word here. Immigration for us means human beings that we meet and that suffer horribly and are in need of our help. And we get the gift of helping. And most of the people, I think, in the United States don't get that gift, which means that for them immigration is an idea and not a reality of real people with real needs. And guns and walls just don't do the job.
My name is Carlota Ray, and I live over 30 years here in this town. It's a beautiful, peaceful town. It used to be more peaceful, but I still love this town. And yeah, I belong to the organization of People Helping People, and also to the No More Death organization. And I'm here because of these numbers. And I'm here to help anyone that come to my door asking for help. This red dots also migrants, they have died in the desert. And I'm here just to help at least one or two of them. So, as like Lisa said, we are gifted to give this help to anyone that comes along to our doors or to our backyards or on the side of the road. And I'm more than happy to help anyone that comes my way. So we are here for this reason, and this is what I'm doing for the rest of my days. So yes, thank you.